Hello everyone. Your lesson addition and number block. Today we are continue with lesson. Now start. 16.
I will do blood.
14.
I will do equal.
30. 8.
I will do blood.
1.
I will do equal.
9. 8.
I will do blood.
16.
I will do equal.
24. 9.
I will do blood.
4.
I will do equal.
13. 16.
I will do blood.
12.
I will do equal.
28. 11.
I will do blood.
2.
I will do equal.
13. 15.
I will do blood.
1.
I will do equal.
16. 13.
I will do blood.
9.
I will do equal.
22. 20.
I will do blood.
20.
I will do equal.
14. 0 is a big number and it had a green color. Wow, I like it. 20.
I will do blood.
18.
I will do equal.
38. 5.
I will do blood.
14.
I will do equal.
19. 7.
I will do blood.
13.
I will do equal.
20. 6.
I will do blood.
18.
I will do equal.
24. 13.
I will do blood.
4.
I will do equal.
17. 11.
I will do blood.
7.
I will do equal.
18. 11.
I will do blood.
16.
I will do equal.
27. 6.
I will do blood.
20.
I will do equal.
26. 20.
I will do blood.
20.
I will do equal.
40. I like color, red color. 2.
I will do blood.
3.
I will do equal.
5. 3.
I will do blood.
6.
I will do equal.
9. 5.
I will do blood.
16.
I will do equal.
21. 19.
I will do plus. I
4.
will do equal.
23. 20.
I will do plus.
2.
I will do equal.
22. 4.
I will do plus.
20.
I will do equal.
24. 1.
I will do plus.
2.
I will do equal.
3. This math is so easy. 1.
I will do plus.
11.
I will do equal.
12. 9.
I will do plus.
13.
I will do equal.
22. 11.
I will do plus.
10.
I will do equal.
21. 12.
I will do plus.
20.
I will do equal.
32. 2.
I will do plus.
14.
I will do equal.
16. 3.
I will do plus. I will do equal.
8. 20.
I will do plus.
16.
I will do equal.
36.
I will do plus.
12.
I will do equal.
19. 4.
I will do plus.
10.
I will do equal.
14. Now your lesson in the end. See you again in the next lesson. Goodbye.